one size fit all. And guess what? They fit all of me. They fit really, really, really nice. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanna LaGale and thank you for joining me today. I wanted to start out by saying thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for all of the support. It really means a lot to me. But yeah, I'm just here. I'm back with another haul. As you can see on this tag here, it's a haul from Diddy's Discount. I just stopped by there, literally not looking for anything. I just picked up a few items that I just wanted to show. One of my favorite YouTubers, I always say, don't sleep on Diddy's. Her name is Gina Janine. So I just stopped by there just to see. You know, I didn't have anything to do, and I picked up a few items, and I just want to review. Okay, so I'm going to start with this that I have on now. This is actually a two-piece set. It's cute. As you can see, the tights come up really high. It almost connect with the top. And I want to say, oh, this one is a large. I thought it was the ones that say one size fit all, but it's not. But it fits really good. It's stretchy. Everything is stretchy. And like I said, the tights come all the way up. And they are not see-through. Because I know a lot of the times with my tights or my leggings, when I put them on, when they stretch across the back, it's see-through. But they're not see-through, they're thick and stretchy. They're actually cute. I'm not a big fan of the two pieces, but I mean, you get your everything in one. I guess it could be like a workout outfit, or you can dress it up with some heels, put on a cute little jacket with it, and wear. I'm guessing like just to make it look like a two-piece, I should keep a little space there. But yeah, what do y'all think about this? I got this for both the top and bottom. It came as a set for $13.99. And I want to say the tag had medium/large. I think that was their large. What do you think about this? I think it's cute. Okay, so next I got this crop tank and these pants. This crop tank, it was just like $2.99, and it's like, I don't know if you can see it. It's like that. I call it wife beater, but undershirt wife beater material with the lines in it. And these pants, these are some green joggers. They come up really high, so I would call them high-waist joggers. Then I like that because I can wear my crop top without showing too much stomach. You know, if you want to hide your belly, but still wear the crop top. And they fit really well. They stretch, so I actually got these in a medium, and I'm glad I did because I like the fitted type look. But like I said, they have the band going around the top, and they come up really high. And you know, now the nudes and the neutrals, and I guess I would call this like army green or hunter green colors are in style right now. So I think this is really cute. Yeah, I'm Shayna. But yeah, what do you think about these pants? And these pants were $8.99, and like I said, the top was $2.99. So this whole outfit for like about $12. The pants are really, really, really comfortable. Real comfortable. or stretchy. So this next shirt I got, it's different from the other shirt I have. You know, the other one was made with that real wife beater material. This more of just a regular spaghetti strap shirt, and it was also $2.99. It's a crop spaghetti strap shirt, and as mentioned on again, one of my favorite YouTubers, Gina Janine, she mentioned don't sleep on the one size fit all leggings. And that's something I have never bought because I was worried that they was gonna be kind of baggy or too tight. But I had to try it out after she mentioned it. I did. I was able to find one pair of black. They had red also, but I don't really wear red leggings, so I had to get it and try them out. These leggings was only $3.99, and like I said, they are one size fit all. And guess what? They fit all of me. They fit really, really, really nice. They have like that soft material, and they're not baggy anywhere. They're not too tight, not too big. I mean, and they only had one pair. And you can't try them nothing at the store right now. But if they had more than one in black, I would have got more than one or any other color. But like I said, they had red. I really don't wear red. So yeah, thumbs up to the one size fit all at Diddy's, or I guess it's one size fit most, but just say one size on the tag, and they fit really, really good. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, Forever 21 started putting that band on their leggings, and I do not like that. It either rolls down or don't come up high enough on the back, and so it's hard to find some leggings. And hey, I love leggings that comfortable. So try these one size leggings. They fit good. Okay, y'all. I don't think you can have too many white tanks. So that's what I got. I got this white tank, and I'm probably just gonna put this on with some jeans. You know, just when you wanna just be wearing something plain. I also got another pair of black leggings. They're not the one size. Like I said, they only had that one pair of one size leggings. And first, who can have too many leggings? I can't, especially when it comes to black, cause I mean, I can throw on whatever, but when you're going out, you want to have that fresh pair of black leggings that's jet black. If you know what I mean, you ain't washed them or nothing, just a fresh black pair of leggings. I can never have too many. So I tried this out. They are kind of thick. I don't think. Let me see. I don't think they see through. But with these, they are not high waist. They hit right at the little bit above the belt line. So they're not high waist like the other leggings. They came with the set or the one size. But they fit well. They're not rolling down. They come up good enough. You have to move in it to make sure they don't roll down. But they fit good. These leggings, they made by Knit and Stitch. But they were $5.99. And to be honest, I'd rather have the one size. But like I said, I can't never have too many. And plus, they're not high-waisted. So I don't know what I would pair this with. I wouldn't wear a crop top with the ones that's not high-waisted yet. But if I get that tummy tuck, I will. But this, it's just a regular white tank. Let me see. Let me show you what it's like. And I also got this neutral, nude, tan, whatever color you want to call it, jacket. Like I said, these colors are in right now. Um, I got this jacket. It's a little tight. They only had one, and so this is a size medium. Medium. I don't know. I might keep it anyways, just because. But it's tight on my arms. I can still zip it and everything, but my arms are big. I hate my arms, and so it's throwing off my jacket. This jacket was only $13.99. I really like the colors in it, and so like I said, it's tight on my arms, but I don't know. I might just keep it in. Roll with it anyways. They got the zippers on the side. No, shoot, hey. It's cute. What y'all think? I mean, I can move it, but it was kind of tight on the arms. But like I said, they didn't have no more. I'm gonna have to find a different Diddy's to go to when I'm bored and just shopping around. But this jacket was only $13.99. It's really cute. They had an orange looking jacket. It was on clearance for $5, but I don't like what I'm gonna wear with orange. I like wearing like the neutrals and the browns, the blacks and whites. But I don't know. I might go get it for my daughter. And y'all, here goes another item I got at Diddy's. This sweater, I would say it's like a brown rust looking color sweater. And I got it in the size medium. I kind of wish I would have got a large. Because you know that look where you have on your fitted stuff underneath and you throw on a big kind of oversized sweater. And it's kind of fitting like a fitted sweater, especially for it to come down this far. But I mean, it's cute though. It's still cute. But I think like if I would have got it in a large, it would have gave me that big, cozy look that I was looking for. Like I said, you couldn't try on nothing. I should have just tried on this sweater anyways because the dressing rooms was closed. I should have just tried it on anyways. But I didn't. So the store was crowded too. But yeah, it's cute. I'm not gonna take it back, but they did have it in black. So I may go back and get the black one and get it in a large so I can have that oversized. Cause I have the big sweaters, but they go down further than this. And this one is kind of like when you want to be sexy, but then you have to turn classy depending on where you're going, and you throw this sweater on, and then your school teacher. But yeah, this sweater's cute, and this sweater was $10.99. They have a bunch of cute stuff there, and like I said, it's plain. If I wouldn't have told you, you wouldn't have knew where I got this sweater from. I mean, like it ain't like you'll go and see it 1,000 other places, or graphic stuff. People really can tell where you got it from. So I keep my stuff plain when it comes to shopping at Rainbow, Diddy's, and stuff like that. That's just I don't want to see me everywhere. I see everybody in the same stuff that I have, in the same place, type thing. So yeah, what do you think about this sweater? I think it's cute. It's giving you school teacher vibes. Okay, y'all, so this next item I got is this tan, neutral, whatever color you want to call this shirt. It's a long sleeve, really stretchy. I think I got it in a medium, and it's like, it almost feel like those one size leggings. Because it fit, it's stretched, it's not tight anywhere or nothing like that. I just put it on with some jeans because I ain't had no more bottoms to put it on with. So this is the shirt. Okay, so this is the shirt. It's just a regular old tan shirt, and I am a plain type of person because, like I said, you can go and you can get your clothes from Walmart or Diddy's or Rainbow, and if it's plain, don't nobody know where I got this shirt from. Nobody. jeans, you know. That's what I got it for. When it's kind of cool outside, and I don't want to wear a jacket, I could put this on. The jeans didn't come from there, y'all. These Fashion Nova jeans, but just the shirt, just smiling in the shirt. And this shirt was just $3.99, and it's good quality too. Y'all, thank you for supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, please comment down below. Um, Leave me a comment on what you would like to see on my channel. I'm just trying to see kind of what everybody like. I will be doing more hauls. Yep, I'll be doing more hauls, and like I said, when I have surgery, I'm gonna vlog that as well. Comment down below if you like for me to vlog that. Um, but yeah, thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for coming back. If you already subscribed, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And thank you. More to come.